key of D minor. It's kind of a blues feel to this, which the blues notes are D, F, G, A flat, A, and C. Just a few chords. G minor, A major, and D. And there's one spot where go to that F major chord there instead of the D minor. Only one different note, which is the C. Spiritual. And a spiritual is just like the blues, only with a more happy theme. I want Jesus to go with me. I want Jesus to go with me. All along my pilgrim journey, I want Jesus, staying on that G minor chord to A, to go with me. Just all along D minor, my pilgrim journey. G minor, I want Jesus to A major to go with me. In my trials, oh, comfort me. In my trials, oh, comfort me. Oh, when my heart is almost breaking, I want Jesus to comfort me. When I'm in trouble, oh, stay with me. When I'm in trouble, oh, stay with me. When my heart is almost breaking, I want Jesus to stay with me.